Thank you so much for that report, Jansen. Well, I think we can all agree that that overturned milk trailer is going to make for a very sour commute. Let's check on weather with our own Becky Henton.
Thanks, Dane. Well, after a beautiful weekend, we are looking at a low pressure system coming in from the west, and that's going to give us a 100% chance of lint. Our computer models are showing it may last upwards to a week. Wait, lint? Chance of lint? Is that what I just said?
Yeah, that's right. You're live. Keep going.
Right. Apparently, we are experiencing some sort of lint storm. What is this? Is this a joke?
What the? Hey, this is lint. This is real lint.
Dane, did you bring in your laundry again?
Yeah, HVAC, ASAP
is this
here,
real?
please.
Oh, this is not happening.
It's in my coffee. I'm gonna need some coffee, new coffee,
it's
please.
It's in my hair. Get it out of my hair.
So I need hair and makeup. This is a $900 toupee.
This is the newest. This is what? Ah!
These things do not grow on trees. Look at this. Look. Please, guys.
Lint continues to fall here as residents take cover and do what they can to cope under these unusual conditions.
Is it snow? No, it's lint, falling from the sky with no end in sight.
Is it climate change or a lint screen change?
Experts disagree on the cause of the growing lint problem. Es nieve, super luce cae del cielo, sin un final a la vista. The Lint Watch has now been upgraded to a lint warning. Residents are warned to take cover and stay inside.
Oh, you had that dream again, didn't you?
Yes, I had the dream again.
Well, it looks like clear skies for the foreseeable future. Thank you, Becky. And now, a new announcement from Alliance Laundry Systems, introducing the new ProCapture system for dryers. This system is said to be the first major change in drying technology in decades.
First thing that comes to mind when you say lint is my biggest challenge.
Lint is pretty gross.
You don't even want to talk about what's in there.
I try not to think about lint.
It's disgusting. You don't want to stick your hand in the...
Yeah, the bane of my existence.
It's all the things you didn't want on your laundry, piled up in a nice, neat little bin.
Through an industry-exclusive patent-pending process, ProCapture captures 98% of dryer lint, producing game-changing benefits for laundries.
Now they don't have to touch it. They can just suck it out.
The ProCapture system is, at the end of the day, it's like a particle accelerator, right? You're looking at wind vortexes, pressure differential, speed curves, slipstreams. I mean, in other words, it's like a vacuum cleaner.
The lint is swirling around, collects onto each other, then it falls down into the bottom of the unit and sits there.
Yeah, it captures the lint without a screen. It will completely change the way people do laundry.
Our tenants will go through and clean the traditional lint trays nightly. That's a must. You just accept it as our reality. But the fine folks at Alliance came up with this idea. So we've had these ProCapture machines now for a couple months. And you can see it captures a lot of lint. This is probably 10 days worth, and this thing is still drying.
They're easier to clean, and when we clean it out, it doesn't throw out the dust all over the store.
The hardest thing to deal with is how lint impacts our HVAC system. And if your intake is on the roof, it's going to pull in that lint into your heat exchangers, and it's going to choke your water heaters. With ProCapture, it's going to protect your investment in the other really expensive things that you have in a laundromat. You know, washers wash clothes, dryers dry clothes. But this thing touches the facility. It touches the mechanical, the water heaters, the HVAC. I mean, there's not another product that does that.
There's also some lint sensor technology, which has a reminder when it's time to clean out the lint.
ProCapture's groundbreaking lint capture process produces a number of benefits and real dollars in savings by virtually eliminating lint from the laundry, including reduced service costs and cleaning, improved airflow results in better efficiency and dryer performance, reduced HVAC maintenance costs, less staff time devoted to emptying lint compartments, overall cleaner laundry environment.
I'm the Director of Engineering at the Moran Hotel. We have been using this equipment for the past 2 or 3 months now, and we're happy with this equipment. Previously, we have to get a 20-footer ladder, and there's 2 people involved, and you have to rent the lift. I mean, it's a safety issue too. It'll take like almost a day just to clean the screen. Now we just need a housekeeping, just vacuum the whole thing, and less than 5 minutes they're done, and now we can concentrate on repairs instead of cleaning this mess up that we have all the time here.
If I were an owner, there's no way I would do a laundromat without this machine. There's no way. It solves too many issues and it minimizes maintenance.
This unit, you're gonna like this thing.
It's something that nobody's done yet, and it's always fun to be sitting on the cutting edge of any technology.
This is the disruptor, the game changer that I think we've all been waiting for. It's just been a long time coming, and I'll say that ProCapture will help you sleep better.